Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jabari McLennan, your real estate agent, and today I am in Mission Ranch, and we are looking at a Reece home, one of the model homes. This is the Caroline plan. So right now we are in the Ridge neighborhood. So the Ridge neighborhood is a 65-foot lot, and this is very close to Riverbend Elementary. So if you're someone who are considering Mission Ranch neighborhood and you want to find place where you can be able to walk your kids to school or potentially allow your kids to walk to school themselves, that's a great way in this neighborhood specifically. And this plan right now is considered an off-market plan. So even though it's a model home, I talked to the people at Reece and they said, hey, you can be able to sell this. It's not on the market right now. It will eventually be. So depending on when you see this video, that may be relevant to you. But we're going to take a look at this showcase home for Reece home. Reece was voted 2023 one of the Brazos Valley best builders. So maybe this could be a fit for you, but I want you to take a look at this Caroline. It is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. It has a study and bonus room. So we'll take a look at it and we'll see what you think. All right, so we are going to take a look at the Caroline, and walking up have the nice beams. So as we walk in to your foyer, welcomes you. Nice little light chandelier. And to the right, you have your study room. So this is good for someone who works home. Nothing too huge, but I love the high ceilings. A little bit over, definitely over 12 feet. Um, and then to the left, when you walk in, this is going to be your extra room. I always look at this as a guest bedroom, a room that sometimes can be a kid bedroom or it can just be a workout room. So you have good closet space in there with your built-in shelves. And across from it, you're going to have your Wi-Fi closet, but then extra space for towels because next to it will be your bathroom. So have a full-size bathroom with a stand-up shower, doors for each section. So if someone needs to be in the bathtub or shower, and someone still needs to be able to use the sink part of it, that can be arranged. So when we walk back out into the foyer, you'll see the stairs that will go up here in a minute. And Reece homes just have a real great accommodating of going into the living room. They have a lot of basically open floor plans. And as you can see, this is just another one. So starting off in your kitchen to the right, we'll have your mud room, everything else we'll take a look at here in a second. Now these does have custom cabinetry built throughout and have a good long island. And then next to that, you have your dining room area. And oftentimes, if you need more space, you can put your stools right here underneath. We end up taking them up, but that'd be a great space for you to have extra guests if you were like someone, if you're someone who like to host and you like to have people over, you love to have your family and friends over, or you like to work in your kitchen, whatever one works for you. Built in microwave, and I like this section over here. It's specific just for the kitchen. You can do your little coffee island over here, and then of course when you go into the living room, you have your gas stove. Excuse me, not your gas stove. That's in the kitchen. You have your gas fireplace with your logs built in. So a lot of people do like that. High voltage ceilings, and we're gonna go over here outside. And so like I said, these are 65-foot lots, and this back patio does have your system where you can plug in your TV and kind of hang out in the back patio area. And if you're someone who likes to host, have games, or you're just someone who likes to be outside, have a good size backyard. Now they are still building on the back end of some of these homes. Over here, I have toured that home as well. That is a Reece home as well. So take a look at my page or take the link above that can show you that home and what's on that street. It's Palmer Street. But each area in Mission Ranch, they have different lot sizes. Some of them they have gated communities, some they have waterfront. So it really is just depending what you're looking for in the Mission Ranch neighborhood. But you'll find Reece homes in every area and every section that they're able to build. Now, of course, uh, Reece home is a custom home built, and they have some semi-home builds as well. So if you just like the layout, you like the designs of everything that they have, but you want to take a look at more specifics for designs you have in plan, definitely let me know. So this here, we're going to go in here, and this is going to be your pantry. Now they're currently using that for storage, being the model home, but you can kind of get an idea. Some snacks already in there for you and extra paperwork. And right next to it, you're going to have the garage. Now, it is a 2-car garage, has good space. So they have some of their model equipment that's in here right now. Then if we come back in, you're going to have your mud room. Mud room, have 4 hooks, then have the shoes that you can put underneath, and of course your cabinets. Then from here, you're going to go into your laundry room. Now I'm going to walk this backwards. So this laundry room is connected to the mud room, and you have your wash and dry that you put there. And then next to that, you'll have your folding station. And then we're going to go into our walk-in closet. Like I said, we're going backwards. So I always love that they have these built-in shelves that you can be able to put into the closet, and you have this opposite side. So just depending on how you arrange it, maybe wives say I want to own majority of this closet, and husband can have this corner right here. So that's most of the time how it works out, but I've seen the opposite. And we go into the bathroom. You have your tub, private window, and then you have your his and her sink L shape. I like how they did that. You have your private stall. I like that they built the shelves inside of here. And then of course your good old walk-in shower. So going here, you have your his and her soap. You keep your soap on your side, shampoo. I keep it on my side. And I like that they have the shower right here, so you don't have to do one of those turn the water on and then try to hop out the way. So we'll go into the master bedroom next. So this here looks like a king size bed. I vote. All right. So let's go out here, and then we're going to take a look at upstairs. So go back into the kitchen area, and now we'll go upstairs where you have 2 extra bedrooms. You can be able to explore and see. Now, once you come up, this is going to have just your common game area that you want to check out some good old Wii, but good spacing for kids. I always like this if you're someone who have kids. If you don't know that by now, I have 2 little ones and a beautiful bride. So, and then you have a full-size bathroom with tubs up here. So generally, sometimes you have your kids, and with that, you want to make sure they can still go in the tubs. And this room is going to be facing the front door. So be your extra kid room, and each closet does have your built-in shelves, kind of shoe sections, and then of course any extra, whether it's shoes, clothes, gadgets that goes in a closet. And then once we go over here, you have an extra closet for storage. And then last but not least is the 4th full bedroom that is facing more of the side. It is next door to the other bedroom, so kids or family members won't be far from each other. And they do have your pantry over here hiding. Oh, pantry. You're attic people. I'm just human. All right. So you have your attic. You have a little space in there for your Christmas items. But then I like right around this corner, you can be able to put some of your shoes. So if you've seen this house and you have some additional questions, what are the options? What are the incentives that they have going? And if you're someone that's like, hey, I don't know when I'm going to move, but I maybe definitely want to work with you, but I want to ask a couple more questions about my unique situation, or want to see if some of these homes are going to be available at a different time of the year, or if you want to build, regardless of your questions, please reach out. I've included links below to uh, find my schedule that will work, but then also call or just text. Let me know what questions you have, and it's my goal to be able to serve you. So, thank you for watching, and continue to subscribe or look at some other videos to see if you have like some other floor plans. Thank you. Talk soon.